Andres Reyes Jr., a lifetime of judicial service and his new role in national accountability. Biography and early life. Andres Bernal Reyes Jr., born on May 11, 1950, is one of the most respected figures in the Philippine judiciary. His life story is deeply rooted in a tradition of law and justice, as he hails from a family that has made significant contributions to the country's legal system. His father, Andres Reyes Sr., served as the presiding justice of the Court of Appeals, while his grandfather, Alex A. Reyes Sr., had the distinction of being both a Court of Appeals justice and later a Supreme Court justice. This lineage gave him a strong foundation and inspiration to pursue a path of public service in the legal field. Reyes' education was both local and international, exposing him to diverse schools of thought. He attended La Salle Green Hills for his basic education, then continued at De La Salle University. Later, he earned a Bachelor of Science degree in economics from St. Mary's College of California. His legal training was completed at the Ateneo de Manila University College of Law, one of the country's premier law schools. Not stopping there, he pursued a master's degree in public administration from the Philippine Women's University, demonstrating his interest in combining law with governance and public policy. This strong academic foundation, coupled with his family background, prepared him for a lifetime of service within the Philippine judicial system. Career in the judiciary. Reyes began his judicial career in 1987 as a trial court judge, an entry point that tested his ability to handle cases at the grassroots level of the justice system. He quickly gained recognition for his discipline, fairness, and capacity to handle complex cases. His career advanced when he was appointed Associate Justice of the Court of Appeals in 1999. A decade later, in 2010, he rose to become the presiding Justice of the Court of Appeals, a position of high responsibility as it involved managing one of the most important appellate bodies in the Philippines. During this time, Reyes was noted for his leadership skills and his insistence on fairness and adherence to the rule of law. His stewardship of the Court of Appeals cemented his reputation as a jurist of competence and integrity. His career reached its pinnacle when President Rodrigo Duterte appointed him Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines in July 2017. He replaced Bienvenido L. Reyes and became part of the country's highest court, deciding on landmark cases that shaped Philippine jurisprudence. While on the Supreme Court, Reyes was known for his independent stance and, at times, his dissenting opinions, which underscored his commitment to fairness even when he stood apart from the majority. In 2020, upon reaching the mandatory retirement age of 70, Reyes stepped down from the Supreme Court. His retirement marked the end of an active judicial career spanning more than 3 decades. However, his public service was far from over. Recent appointment. In September 2025, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. appointed Andres Reyes Jr. as the first chairperson of the newly created Independent Commission for Infrastructure, ICI. The ICI was established under Executive Order No. 94, with a mandate to investigate alleged anomalies, corruption, and misuse of funds in major infrastructure projects. Its initial focus is on flood control programs undertaken in the past decade, which have been criticized for inefficiency and alleged corruption. The Commission has broad investigative powers, including issuing subpoenas, summoning officials, requesting documents, and recommending administrative and criminal charges where appropriate. Alongside Reyes, other members include former DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson, corporate leader Rosana Fajardo, and Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong as special investigator. Reyes' appointment is widely seen as a move to add credibility and integrity to the commission. As a retired Supreme Court justice with an established reputation for independence, he brings an aura of impartiality to a politically sensitive assignment. The success of the ICI will hinge in part on his leadership and ability to navigate both legal complexities and political pressures. Lifestyle. Despite his long years in high-profile judicial posts, Andres Reyes Jr. has lived a lifestyle characterized more by moderation than extravagance. Reports describe him as a health enthusiast who maintains an active routine even in retirement. He is particularly known as an avid golfer, a hobby that not only reflects his commitment to fitness, but also provides a social outlet within professional and personal circles. He is also regarded as someone who keeps a youthful energy, which perhaps explains his ability to stay active in public life even past the traditional age of retirement. Unlike some public figures, Reyes has largely stayed away from flamboyant displays of wealth, maintaining a quiet and dignified lifestyle befitting a jurist. His private life has remained largely shielded from public attention, with little known about his personal properties, vehicles, or investments. Net worth. As with many public officials in the Philippines, details of Andres Reyes Jr.'s net worth are not publicly available in exact figures. Public servants are required to file statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth psalms, but these are not always disclosed to the general public. Legacy and public trust. Andres Reyes Jr.'s legacy lies in his reputation as a fair-minded and principled jurist. From his early days as a trial judge to his years as presiding justice of the Court of Appeals and finally as an associate justice of the Supreme Court, he has consistently been viewed as someone who valued impartiality above connections or political favors. During his interviews with the Judicial and Bar Council when he was aspiring for the Chief Justice post, he famously emphasized that he did not give special favors to well-connected business acquaintances. This reaffirmed his commitment to equality before the law, a trait that has defined his career. His recent appointment to the ICI offers him another chance to contribute to the nation, this time outside the judiciary. If successful, the commission could uncover and address corruption in infrastructure projects, potentially saving billions in public funds and restoring public confidence in government spending. Conclusion. Andres Reyes Jr. represents a lifetime dedicated to the law and the Filipino people. From his family's deep legal roots to his own long judicial career, he embodies continuity, tradition, and integrity in public service. His recent appointment as chair of the Independent Commission for Infrastructure signals trust in his ability to lead an impartial investigation into some of the country's most pressing governance issues. In a nation often challenged by allegations of corruption and inefficiency, Reyes' role could help shape a new culture of accountability. His biography is not only a record of professional achievements, but also a testament to how integrity and dedication can extend influence even beyond retirement.